The stork brought in some nice, delicious food. It's Miss Farley's turn. Alright, guys. Miss Farley, would you like some delicious treats? They're waiting. Alright. We got hay. Usually the big baby's the one jumping out of the cage. I don't have a nipple. I have fingers. Oh my god, these babies are such nosy rosies. Go on, time to eat your delicious bass of hay. It's time for your num-num treats. Go on. I don't do fake nails because these chins just love to eat my nails. And Miss Farley will not eat while I'm in here. Go on. Go get some of your little treats. That's her original baby, wolfing down.